Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a problem that many gardeners and homeowners face: rabbits. Yes, they're cute, but they can also wreak havoc on your garden and property. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get rid of rabbits effectively and humanely. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the problem. First things first, you need to make sure that rabbits are the culprits. Look for signs like chewed plants, droppings, or burrows. Once you're sure, you can move on to the next steps. Step 2. Install fencing. One of the most effective ways to keep rabbits out is fencing. You'll need chicken wire and stakes for this. Make sure the fence is at least 2 feet high and the holes in the wire are smaller than 1 inch. According to a study by the University of Missouri Extension, fencing is one of the most effective long-term solutions for keeping rabbits out. Step 3. Use repellents. You can use store-bought repellents or make your own using ingredients like garlic and chili powder. Spray these around the perimeter of your garden. The University of California statewide integrated pest management program suggests that repellents can be quite effective when used correctly. Step 4. Set up live traps. If you're dealing with a more serious infestation, you might want to consider live traps. Place these near the areas where you've seen the most activity. Check the traps daily and relocate the rabbits far from your property. Always follow local laws and regulations when trapping and relocating wildlife. Step 5. Install motion-activated sprinklers. Motion-activated sprinklers can be a great deterrent. Set these up in areas where you've noticed rabbit activity. The sudden burst of water will scare them away. Step 6. Try ultrasonic devices. Some people have found success using ultrasonic devices that emit a high-frequency sound that rabbits find unpleasant. However, the effectiveness of these devices is still debated among experts. Step 7. Regular monitoring. Once you've implemented these measures, make sure to regularly check for signs of rabbits and adjust your strategies as needed. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide on how to get rid of rabbits from your property. Remember, the key is to be persistent and adjust your strategies as needed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy gardening.